Welcome to the Breakfast Revolution, where every morning is a new opportunity to nourish your body and mind. Imagine waking up to a kitchen filled with fresh ingredients, sunlight streaming in, and the promise of a meal that energizes you for the day ahead. This is your path to a healthier start, and it begins with the choices you make at the breakfast table. Each bite you take can set the tone for your entire day, influencing your mood, focus, and even your long-term health. Breakfast isn't just a meal. It's the foundation of your daily routine. It fuels your body and mind, giving you the energy to tackle whatever comes your way. When you start your day with wholesome foods, you're investing in yourself. Skipping breakfast might seem like a shortcut to save time or calories, but it often backfires. You may find yourself reaching for unhealthy snacks or overeating later in the day, which can sabotage your health goals. A smart breakfast is your secret weapon for weight loss, steady energy, and better focus. It helps regulate your appetite, supports your metabolism, and keeps those mid-morning cravings at bay. Today's recipe is designed for real life, quick to make, flourless, and packed with nutrients to keep you full and satisfied all morning long. No more feeling sluggish or hungry before lunch. We're swapping out heavy, flour-based foods for oats, which are loaded with fiber and naturally low in carbs. Oats help stabilize your blood sugar and keep you feeling energized. This simple change encourages your body to burn fat for energy, rather than relying on sugar. It's a small tweak, with a powerful impact on your health and waistline. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel with just this one adjustment. It's a delicious, satisfying way to start your day on the right foot. Remember, you're not just eating, you're nourishing yourself, giving your body the fuel it needs to thrive and perform at its best. Perfect for busy mornings, this recipe proves that healthy food can be just as convenient as fast food, without any of the guilt or regret. Forget sugary cereals and empty calories. It's time for a breakfast that truly loves you back, supporting your goals and your well-being. So, are you ready to start your journey to a healthier you? Let's get cooking and make every morning count. Let's meet our star ingredients, oats and avocado. Oats are a superfood, loaded with beta-glucan fiber to keep you full and energized. They're heart-healthy, rich in vitamins, and release energy slowly. Avocado brings creamy texture and healthy monounsaturated fats. Don't fear the fat. It helps you absorb nutrients and keeps you satisfied. Together, oats and avocado create a powerful combo for weight loss and steady energy. This breakfast isn't about cutting calories. It's about choosing the right ones. Nutritious, filling, and delicious. This duo will change your mornings forever. Let's see what you'll need. Here's what you need for these amazing pancakes. 1 cup of rolled oats for the base, half a ripe avocado for creaminess, half a cup of water to blend it all together, 1 green chili for a gentle kick, optional if you prefer mild, a thumb-sized piece of ginger for zest and digestion, a 1/4 cup of fresh coriander for brightness, salt to taste, a little oil for cooking, just enough to grease the pan. Simple, wholesome ingredients. Let's turn them into something special. Now comes the fun part, making the batter. It's surprisingly simple, and you'll be amazed at how quickly it all comes together. Gather your ingredients and get ready for a burst of color and flavor. Start by adding oats, water, creamy avocado, a touch of fresh ginger, a bit of chili for heat, and a generous handful of coriander to your blender. Each ingredient brings its own unique taste and health benefits, making this batter both nutritious and delicious. Blend everything together until you have a smooth, vibrant green mixture. Make sure there are no lumps. This step is key for that perfect pancake texture. Watch as the colors swirl and combine, creating a batter that looks as good as it tastes. Pour your beautiful green batter into a bowl. Now stir in a pinch of salt to enhance all those fresh flavors. Take a moment to appreciate the creamy consistency and the way the ingredients have blended together so seamlessly. The batter should be thick yet pourable. Think of a smoothie, but just a bit more substantial. This texture is what will give your pancakes that perfect bite, soft, yet holding their shape. If your batter feels too thick, simply add a splash of water and mix again. If it's too thin, a spoonful of oats will help thicken it up. Adjust until you reach that ideal consistency. Don't be afraid to experiment a little. This fresh green batter is truly the heart of your pancakes. It's packed with nutrients, flavor, and a gorgeous color that will brighten up any morning. Take a moment to inhale the aroma. It's herby, zesty, and absolutely mouth-watering. The scent alone will have you excited for breakfast. With your batter ready, you're just minutes away from enjoying a wholesome, energizing breakfast. This quick prep means you can start your day with something nourishing, even on busy mornings. Check your batter one last time. Smooth, green, and ready to go. Now, let's move on to the cooking stage and bring these pancakes to life. Grab your favorite non-stick pan and get it nice and hot. This is where the magic really happens, as your vibrant batter transforms into delicious pancakes. Healthy eating has never been this easy or this much fun. Let's get ready for that satisfying sizzle and enjoy a breakfast that's as beautiful as it is good for you. Begin by placing a non-stick pan on your stovetop and turning the heat to low-medium. This gentle heat is key. It helps the pancake cook evenly without burning, giving you that perfect golden color. Let the pan warm up for a minute or two so it's ready for the next step. Next, drizzle in a few drops of oil. Swirl the pan so the oil coats the surface evenly, ensuring your pancake won't stick and will develop a lovely, crisp edge. You can use any neutral oil you like, just enough to lightly cover the base. Now take a ladleful of your prepared batter and pour it right into the center of the pan. Listen for that gentle sizzle. It's the sound of breakfast coming to life. Using the back of your ladle or a spoon, gently spread the batter into a smooth, even circle. Aim for a pancake that's not too thick or too thin. Once shaped, cover the pan with a glass lid to trap the steam. Let the pancake cook for about 2 minutes. The steam inside the pan helps cook the batter through, making the pancake soft and fluffy on the inside while the bottom turns golden. When you notice the top of the pancake looks set and the edges start to lift slightly, it's time for the flip. Slide a spatula underneath and turn it over in one smooth motion. Let the other side cook for another minute or so until it's beautifully golden brown. This is where the magic happens. The outside crisps up while the inside stays tender. For an extra touch of crispiness, drizzle a little more oil around the edges of the pancake as it cooks. This step is optional, but it adds a wonderful crunch and flavor. Once both sides are golden and cooked through, carefully slide the pancake onto a plate. Take a moment to admire that gorgeous color and the inviting aroma wafting up. Repeat this process with the remaining batter, making sure to add a touch of oil to the pan each time. Soon, you'll have a stack of pancakes ready to enjoy. Each pancake comes out golden, healthy, and absolutely delicious. The kitchen fills with the irresistible smell of fresh pancakes, making it hard to wait. You've just created a breakfast that's as nourishing as it is tasty, packed with wholesome ingredients and full of flavor. With this simple method, you're ready to make the perfect pancake every single time. Enjoy. Perfect pancakes are all about the right heat and batter consistency. Keep the pan at low-medium. Too hot and they'll burn. Too cool and they'll stick. Adjust the batter. Add water if too thick, oats if too thin. Wait for the edges to dry and the top to set before flipping. Flip confidently. No hesitation. A good non-stick pan is essential for easy cooking and cleanup. Use minimal oil for a healthier result. Practice makes perfect. After a couple tries, you'll be a pro. These tips guarantee golden, tasty pancakes every time. Healthy breakfasts can be simple and foolproof. Now let's make this your new morning ritual. Here's why you'll love it. You've created a breakfast that's quick, healthy, and delicious. These oats and avocado pancakes are a game changer for weight loss and energy. Packed with fiber and healthy fats, they keep you full and satisfied. Make this recipe part of your morning routine. It's self-care on a plate. Enjoy a warm, guilt-free breakfast that supports your goals. Share it with family and friends. Show them healthy eating can be easy and tasty. This is your invitation to a breakfast revolution. Food is your friend, your fuel, and your medicine. Start your day with a perfect green pancake. Enjoy every bite. You deserve it. Here's to a healthier, happier you.